Hello guys, and welcome to the Nano Airsoft Showdown 2012. We hope you enjoy this airsoft war, and it's the first war that I'm filming for my YouTube channel. And it's not much, but it's my backyard. It's extremely huge. And then we're just using cardboard boxes as cover. We had bigger cover, but we didn't have time to set it up. So I'll be using this baby, and he's using a Model 1911. So, hey, back up a little bit. We're kind of close. And then we'll get this started when he backs up a bit. Okay, I think we're good. Round one, start. Holy crap. Okay.